It was a little over 2 months ago when Volkswagen introduced the facelift Polo lineup in all but the range-topping GTI flavor. The hot hatch version is now making its world premiere in a rather unusual place, as the images were shared on LinkedIn by Ralph Brandstatter, Chief Executive Officer Volkswagen Passenger Cars. Naturally, it gets the fully redesigned headlights and wider taillights of the regular Super Mini, but the design has been spruced up with the usual red accents, dual exhaust tips, and a honeycomb grille with built-in LED daytime running lights akin to the Golf GTI. Chunky two-tone alloy wheels with upgraded brakes featuring red calipers are also noticeable, as are the contrasting black mirrors and roof. Volkswagen is promising a powerful TSI engine, and it's likely referring to a turbocharged 2-liter gasoline engine that produced 204 horsepower and 236 pound-feet of torque towards the end of the pre-facelift model's life. The Polo GTI offered a 6-speed manual gearbox for a while, but the clutch pedal was dropped, and it will be interesting to see whether the updated model will also be a DSG-only model. Interior has a standard digital instrument cluster, new climate controls similar to those of the updated Tiguan and Arteon, along with a 9.2-inch touchscreen for the infotainment system. Volkswagen has promised to unveil the revised Polo GTI before the end of the month, and since it's already June 30th, the full debut must be imminent. We will update this story once the peeps from Wolfsburg release technical specifications and a complete photo gallery of their Fiesta ST and i20N Fighter.
Subscribe to Auto TV.